I'm Jamie Helm.
And I'm her sister, Naomi Helm. And
We own Wicked Wrench Company in South Elgin, Illinois.
The eXtra rewards program is pretty cool because it's products that we already get and buy.
It just takes literally 5 minutes. Once you put your account numbers in through your suppliers that you're already buying from, then your points will build up automatically. You don't have to do anything extra. Forget about it for 9 months and then go get something super cool. So in my shopping cart, as I'm waiting for points to build up, I have a trip to Mexico, I have a flat screen, I got a Dyson vacuum.
I mean, there's so much stuff in here.
It's like the Rolls Royce of rewards program.
You better share it.
With what?
Me.
Share what?
The trip.
What trip? My trip?
Yeah, the trip.
I buy the parts.
It doesn't matter.
Anything you can sign up for, and it's effortless to get any type of reward back on stuff you're already buying. I mean, there's a no-brainer to that.
And it doesn't cost anything.
You have nothing to lose.